Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making some 4th of July streamers. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are an old toilet paper roll, some scissors, and red, white, and blue cardstock or paper. First, what you're going to do is take your toilet paper roll and then take your blue paper, set your other two colors aside, and then you're going to glue the blue paper all the way around. So first I'm going to see how much I need. And then I'll just cut where I need to cut it. And then, how long is it? Set that aside, make sure it fits. Yep, and then glue it on. I finished gluing on my blue paper. So now what I'm gonna do is take a sheet of white paper and then cut out a couple star shapes. I suggest writing them or drawing them before you cut them out, so then they look a bit nicer. Now that I finished cutting out my stars, I did 5. You can do as many as you want. I'm just gonna glue them on here. So this is gonna be the top of the streamer, and this is gonna represent the top, or the top corner of the American flag, which is the navy blue background and the white stars. Next, we're going to take a red and white sheet of cardstock or paper. You can get another white sheet if you want, or I'm just going to use the part of my white cardstock that I didn't use for the stars. So I'll put this over there. And you're just going to cut out strips of cardstock or paper. So I cut out strips, 4 of each color, and then we're gonna make sure these are even. And then choose a bottom or top for your streamer, and I think this will just be my bottom right here. And then glue them to the inside, going back and forth between the colors. just like this. Next, you're going to take a piece of yarn, and I find it best to do one of the colors that you've used here. So I'm going to do white, and this is we're going to just glue it to the inside, so then you can hang this up as decorations. Let's see, I don't want to make mine too long, so probably here. And then you'll just glue it to opposite sides of the inside of your strip. Now that I attached my yarn, it's done. And then you can just hang this up anywhere as a cute decoration for the 4th of July. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!